With your mackerel?
Yeah.
Okay, well here we goes. Bit of chaos. Okay, Brad, what have we got? Oh, a little Spanish. Hang on, wait, watch. Oh, gone. That's all right.
Here, get this gun.
Look at
Lost him, right?
That's one of the gats.
Okay.
It's all part and parcel.
Yeah, that's it. Just take your time, eh? Here he is, bit of colour. Hey, there you go, mate. Oh, he's off. Oh, screaming, mate. Mackerel, go to Spanish. Okay. Watch those hooks. Triple hook up here, although we just lost one. Oh, mate. Good fish, good fish. Okay. Oh, that's what we wanted, mate. Got it nice and clear of the reef. Here we go, got a big Spanish. Oh, here we go, nice Spanish. Bart on this side, mate.
Bart. This side too.
Well, this one's ready. Just take your time there, Brad. Oh, don't wet the camera.
He's not ready yet.
No, you're right. I'm only mucking around. Here we go. Keep clear of those motors. Double hook up on Spanish here.
Slow down as you get into the surface, that's what spooks you.
Here he is.
Hold him at a certain depth there for a bit. That's it.
On the go. Okay. Just take your time, Brad. Really take your time, Brad. We've got one over here.
Get him. Hold him.
Oh, good fish. Now watch the motors. Yeah. Okay, watch those hooks, guys. Watch the teeth. Let's get out of the way there, Ron. Truck hit the road. Oh, buddy, was that chaos or what? Okay, get him. He's a nice Spanish. Just really wearing him out, Brad. Just take your time, mate. Okay. Just take your time. Oh, chaos. Oh, did you? Oh, mate. That was like, what's those teeth?
Just as well he was.
Oh, that was very lucky, Brad.
I gotta go back on there, got this.
Watch yourself back, you're in the way. Hey guys, well done.
Brad and Brad.
Brad and Brad. Two nice Spanish, guys, well done. Out for another go, guys.
Let's have another go. Actually, I even got my sponsorship, didn't have us good. Where's this one?
Brad Fitzpatrick, good builder, eh?
God, man, top trip, eh?
Top trip, getting a few.
Getting a few. Spanish stopping off a good day.
Bloody oath.
Not bad at all.
Heap of trout, heap of Nannygai. A couple of Spanish. Good chance we'll get another one.
And the whales. Up here off there.
That one got smashed when it was sinking down.
This one?
Yeah, the guy when it was sinking.
Oh, okay.
He got smashed.
Yeah, well, that one there on the spot.
Esky's full again. There we go, coming up to the spot again. Couple of nice fish there.
Yeah, no, buddy. It's nice and sportsy. Oh, hey,
What have we got? Fucking heaps.
Heaps.
What do you want?
No, awesome Nannygai, mackerel, trout. All right, well done, guys.
Camera beside you there, mate. That's all. Right.
well done, Rifari.
Just there.